Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Alter with YouTube. So for example, I'm going to Paris and I want to know about the best restaurant. So what I do, I go and watch some YouTube video. And the great thing with Alter is whenever you go on a YouTube video, you can see we automatically load the transcript of the video, which means you don't need to watch the whole video, you can directly interact with it. List me all the restaurants in this video. And there we go. And I need to play the video. And automatically, it will extract the name of the restaurant in this video. Great. So now I have the list here. So let's try to make it a bit better. Look online for the address of those restaurants and order them by district. And you can see now Alter has used Gemini Web to find the address and order by district. And the thing I quite like now is to create a Google Map compatible file, so I can just upload it in my Google Maps, especially. So export this list into a CSV format compatible with Google Maps. And here we go. Just need to copy and paste this and save it as CSV, and I can upload it in my Google Maps as a bespoke map. The other example I want to show you is guides to do things. So for example here, I'm on a video of an N8N guide. And same thing, if I load here, you can see that I don't even need to watch the ad, we automatically load the guide. And here I can say, take me by the hand and help me step by step to reproduce this tutorial. And here we go. It gives me the instruction, typically here, to do the tutorial. Describe, and I can even do, okay, now let's do one step after another. Okay, and I do this, and after say, okay, next. And here Alter will help me do it step by step. It's very easy and very convenient for things like this. I hope it gives you some inspiration. See you next time.